I'm just going to quickly describe to you what the setup is. So this is a 14.5-inch lightweight, thin-walled, round-bottom cast iron wok. This is the wok that my mother introduced me to using. And because that's one of the things that I did not change when my mother taught me to cook. I did simplify her technique, but one thing I didn't change was using the wok. And the things that I have on it, this is a unique magnetized wok mitt. It has a magnet on the inside so that it stays on your handle. So when you take your hands off, you won't get scorched and it won't fall off. Okay? And then the other side is just with Velcro so that you can hold it, because one of the things when you use your wok is you might want to do an omelette, so you might need to rock it like that, okay? And the bottom, this is a 12,000 BTU portable gas stove. It also comes in a briefcase so that you can take it everywhere with you. You can go camping, yachting, even if you want to eat outside on your balcony, or a lot of people actually like cooking out on by their pool. So this is a very simple setup. And the reason why I came up with this gas stove is that I just want to quickly show you. Can you see? Yeah. There's not enough surface area to heat up the wok. And I discovered that when I first started giving my cooking classes in these beautiful kitchen design showrooms, they all had these flat glass cooktops. And I had to keep apologizing. I couldn't work out why my vegetables kept getting soupy. And it's because there's not enough heat that's coming out to steam off the juice that's coming out from the vegetables. So we came up with this lovely portable gas stove, and now that problem is over. So the way we use this gas stove, it just has a little gas refill in it. So at the moment it's clicked on, so we just have to switch it on, and the dial actually acts as the flame regulator. Okay, so when you finish, you just flip that off and it comes right out. So can you see this notch here? You just line it up, press it down, it will engage, and you're on. But please don't cover this little hole, it's for ventilation, right? Even though you may have a gas stove at home, it's just a great little item to take when you go camping with your kids. I call it my portable kitchen. And this gas refill lasts about 2 hours. You can get it at Asian markets, or you can just go online and get a whole bunch. But please get a whole bunch, because you don't want to run out when you're right in the middle of entertaining and you have to resort to using your electric.